So recap the problem over here. We have about a 1.5 inch. I'll measure it again. Backsplash, and the outlets are not flush with the backsplash because it's too thick. And so what we have to do is to put the spacers that I bought from Home Depot and put it here, and use longer screws so that I can attach it. 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. And for that I'll have to turn off the breaker. So the breaker is off. Just make sure there's no power here. All right, for this I'm gonna have to have 2-inch machine screw. So it's too deep. So I'm gonna have to order that, and I'll use the spacers. Home Depot currently don't have it here in 2 or 3 locations, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. So I'll probably order it and wait for it. I've got nails and the screws for the outlet, 2-inch, and the nails for. All right, so I didn't use spacers because I don't have space left here. When they cut the backsplash hole here for the outlet, they cut it too thin, so I don't have enough space to put the spacers. So, but this one looks good, firm and tight here, so it looks good. So I got 2-inch machine screws. I use this to tighten up the outlet with 1.75-inch backsplash. It's tight and nice now. So I gotta do the same thing with those. So this is the original screw that it came with. So I'm gonna replace those with 2-inch machine screws. I got 4 outlets. Once again, if you have enough space, you can use spacers. Since I don't have space for the spacers, so I won't be using those. But if you do, then you can use outlet spacers. I think this is why it's very important to leave at least 7-inch extra wire so that it can work easily like this. And if you have like a backsplash like ours, like a thick backsplash, so that you have enough wire to extend it, you know. So this is good now, so I'll be putting those 2-inch screws back here. It's good. I'll have to tighten it up now. Okay, so this one is nice and tight now. On to the next one. Okay, everything is ready, nice and tight. Now I have to put the covers. All right, so this is how it looks.